Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone that keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your iPhone has enough battery. Charge it for at least 30 to 60 minutes using a working charger. If possible, use a genuine Apple charger or try a different cable and power adapter to rule out a faulty accessory. If your iPhone supports wireless charging, place it on a wireless charger. Also, inspect the charging port for dust or debris and gently clean it if necessary, as a blocked port can prevent proper charging. Once the phone has enough charge, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side button until the screen turns completely black. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears again, then release the button. This force restart reloads the system software and can fix temporary issues that cause your iPhone to get stuck in a boot loop. It won't erase any of your personal data. If it doesn't work on the first attempt, try the button sequence again. The timing is important and it may take a few attempts to perform correctly. If the issue still persists, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and update or restore iOS using Finder or iTunes. So that's basically how you can fix an iPhone that keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off. That's it for this video. Thanks!